students, welcome to history lecture. In today's session, we will continue chapter number 4, the freedom struggle of 1857. In previous session of history, we studied how farmers and common people became bankrupt during the British rule in India. We also studied about Indian sepoys who were ill-treated by the East India Company rule. They were given long and-filed rifles which were smeared in the fats of cows and pigs, and the sepoys were required to bite the end of these cartridges while using it. Due to this, the religious sentiments of Hindus and Muslims were hurt and they were unhappy. To take the revenge, Mangal Pandey from Barakpur cantonment shot an English officer. Thereafter, Mangal Pandey was arrested and hanged to death. The entire regiment was hurt by the death of Mangal Pandey. They took part in freedom struggle and marched against Delhi. The revolt spread in Lucknow, Allahabad, Kanpur, Banaras, Bareilly and Jhansi. Not only in North India but also this revolt spread in South India. In this revolt, Chhatrapati Pratap Singh of Satara and his officer Renko Bapuji, Chima Sahib of Kolhapur, Bala Sahib Bave of Nargund, Bhagoji Nayak of Ahmednagar were in forefront. Royal Queens of Pate, Surghana from Nasik district also participated in this struggle. The Bills revolted under the leadership of Kaja Singh, whereas Shankar Shah led the revolt in Satpura region. Around 400 female Bills participated in the revolt at Khandesh. In the freedom struggle of 1857, Bahadur Shah was incapable of fighting against the British. Understanding the condition, Nanasaheb Peshwa, Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi and Tatya Tope took up the charge of the freedom struggle of 1857. Also, Maulavi Ahmadullah, Kunwar Singh, Mughal commander Bakht Khan, Begum Hazrat Mahal led the revolt in various regions. The nature of revolt in Delhi, Kanpur, Lucknow, Jhansi, West Bihar was more in fierce. The Indians wholeheartedly fought against the British, including soldiers, zamindars, kings, commanders and common people. The Indian sepoys started the freedom struggle before the fixed time. Initially, they succeeded, but military strength and administration of the British rule was vast. The British crushed down the struggle by all means. The British made quick recovery and within 6 months regained the lost territories. Rani Lakshmibai, Kunwar Singh, Ahmadullah laid their lives in this revolt. Bahadur Shah was arrested and put in the jail at Rangoon. Nana Sahib and Begum Hazrat Mahal took shelter in Nepal. Tatya Tope fought for 10 months against the British, but later he was caught and hanged to death. In this way, by the end of 1858, the British ruthlessly crushed down the struggle. The revolt of 1857 was not successful, but still it gained a national form. And the reason behind this is the unity among the common people. Indian soldiers, peasants, artisans, tribes came together to fight against the British. Their common aim was overthrowing the British from India. There was an inspiration of gaining independence behind this struggle. Students, in next session we will study the causes of the failure of the struggle and the consequences of the freedom struggle of 1857.